In this video, we're going to use some models to figure out fractions. So if we have a problem like this that says which shape shows the fraction 6 over 8 or 6/8, so we could take a look at each of these models to figure out which one is showing us that fraction. So for this one, we can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. So that's going to be what our denominator is going to be. So the denominator will be 5 equal total parts. And the numerator will be how many are shaded in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4/5. For this one, we have 3, 6, 9. 9 total equal parts. So that's going to be our denominator. Then the number of shaded parts is going to be our numerator. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. For this one, we have to figure out how many total equal parts there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is our denominator. Then we count how many are shaded in. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are shaded in. For this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts, so that's what our denominator is going to be. And we have 1 shaded in, so that's our numerator. So the one that's showing us 6 over 8 is this one. So that's what 6/8 look like. So let's circle that one as the answer. And we'll circle it in red. Okay, so don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. And make sure to check out my description. There's other videos in there with links that will take you to other videos like this that are similar. Also, don't forget to download the ebook that has this exact lesson in it. You could follow along with the ebook. And don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks.